Are you the owner?
We work it right here, boss.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this up on my channel. All right, you guys, I'm down here, Venice Beach, California, checking out all the bicycles. I mean, hundreds of bicycles, e-bikes, e-tricycles, doubles, as well as these East Asian tuk-tuks, as they call, all electric. So I'm stopping by the big shops here that rent them all out. So as you're walking down in Venice Beach over here, that's where you see a lot of these little tuk-tuks like you see in Southeast Asia. These are all electric. You got the smaller ones over here, a little bit larger if you want to take your family. It's called the Boardwalk Bike, Skate, and Surf Rental here in Venice Beach, California. Take a look at these here, a little bit closer. Again, these are all electric. Of course, they all come from China. Got purple ones, a pretty nice color. This one's a little bit beige here, called the Eagle King. So these guys look like right here, they'll rent you out one of these scooters. Are you guys in charge of these scooters over here? Good. What's your name?
Gio.
Gio? Yeah, I'm gonna put this on my channel. Yeah. You guys are open 7 days a week?
We're open every day.
Every day. Right on. Thank you. These fellows right over here rent out the bikes, right? You guys rent out the e-bikes over here?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna put this on my channel.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Got different brands. You got the Segway here. You got this style right here. I'm not too familiar with these, you guys, but if you're ever down to Santa Monica, Venice Beach, these guys right here, they will rent you out a scooter, and this is where the majority of all these scooters come from. Pretty awesome. I mean, these all are made in China. So you got some here for the physically challenged as well, or they're just want a three-wheel. So stop on by over here and check these guys out. Again, it's the Boardwalk Rental, electric rentals, and more. Here's another spot. You got the Celebrity electric rentals and more e-bikes. You got the three-wheel bikes, the scooters. So every type of bike you can imagine down here for rental. So you guys can cruise up and down the boardwalk. And this walkway right here goes all the way up to Santa Monica, and you can take this all the way down to Manhattan Beach. Here's another shop, you guys, you can do some renting from. These guys rent out all the little mini electric dirt bikes. They also sell souvenirs. Check it out. So if you guys are looking for a rental just like this, you stop here at the Venice Beach Bike Rentals. We got a little three-wheeler electric tuk-tuk. Walking up on another e-bike rental. You can see there's dozens of them actually. Electric bike rentals. It's called the Bone Shaker.
Yeah.
Are you the owner?
We work it right here, boss.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this up on my channel. So you guys been here how long?
7 years.
7 years. So you rent out all the electric e-bikes?
We faster in electric bike.
Oh,
you wanna buy, or you wanna rent or sell them or buy?
Oh, you actually sell them too?
Yeah. Buy or rent.
Buy or rent, okay.
Yeah.
Great. And these are all like street legal, or what are they?
People can take it everywhere on the bike line.
Oh, okay. So they can use these over here?
Right.
They can right here on the...
You gotta pay miles all the way.
Okay. All right. I'll make sure I'll send my audience. So check it out, you guys. What is your name?
Alex.
Alex?
From Bone Shaker Electric Bike.
Bone Shaker Electric Bikes. Check out Alex when you're down here.
We highest in electric.
Okay, you heard that, you guys. So we're down here at the Venice Beach, right?
Venice Beach, all the way.
Right on. All right, you'll find us on Motors Uncut.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
have the actual, these are the ones that I call the tuks, very similar, Southeast Asia, except these are all electric, and you could actually ride these, you guys. Ride these here, not here, but there's a bike path and scooter path a little bit closer where those palm trees are located, where I'm pointing out. Little bikes right there. See some more over here. Kids are all over these here. Some of these have an age requirement, some of them don't. You just have to check with the vendor. So like, you see this vendor over here? This looks like this is Venice Beach Boulevard. So hundreds of different styles, you guys, that you can rent out over here at Venice Beach, California. And take a tour of Venice, Santa Monica, take it all the way down to Manhattan Beach. See someone come over here with one of the electric three-wheelers here. Family friendly. LA Lifeguards doing their thing. There's a family limo here for you guys. So this right here, you guys, they brought back the episodes. This is where they're filming the new Baywatch. This right here is where they keep a lot of the production equipment. Check it out. You can see the Lifeguard four-wheeler UTVs over there.
Oh my god.